The DTHUMB extension identifies an Android thumbnail cache file storing preview images for faster app and media file browsing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you clear or repair these system cache files effectively. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the DTHUMB format, but we'll attack the top issues first. DTHUMB files are Android thumbnail caches storing resized preview images of photos, videos, and app icons. They accelerate UI responsiveness in gallery and file browser apps, but can become corrupted, causing blank thumbnails or application crashes on your device. Android thumbnail caches are stored in the device's media provider data directory and use a combination of database records and DTHUMB binary files. They are automatically regenerated by the system, but may require manual clearing when corruption occurs. Typically, DTHUMB files can be opened with Android OS created by Google LLC. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows provides limited insight, so these files are most useful inside the program that created them. We are checking the software landscape. Right-click your DTHUMB file and select Open With. If Android OS is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We need to check every possibility. If your DTHUMB file will not open yet, do not panic. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the DTHUMB problem to one of three basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, clearing the cache. On your Android device, go to Settings, then Apps, then find Media Provider in the app list. Tap Storage and select Clear Cache to remove all corrupted thumbnail data. The system will automatically regenerate thumbnails as you browse your media. Next, fixing blank thumbnails. Restart your Android device after clearing the media provider cache to allow the thumbnail database to rebuild. If blank thumbnails persist after rebooting, clear the cache again and also clear the data for your gallery or files application. Finally, preventing corruption. Avoid interrupting media operations or performing abrupt device shutdowns while files are being indexed or copied. Use your device manufacturer's built-in storage management tools to periodically rebuild the media database and maintain thumbnail cache integrity. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.